Western New York is used to snow, but even they aren't used to snow like they saw through the weekend. A historic lake-effect snowstorm saw Buffalo and the surrounding area blanketed with a snowfall that in some places exceeded 6 feet. Erie County, which contains Buffalo, saw more snow on Saturday than any previous 24-hour period, and an observation site near the Bills Orchard Park recorded a snow total of 80 inches. Thankfully for locals, the Bills still managed to beat the Browns on Sunday, even though that quote-unquote home game had to be moved to Detroit. So, what are your best snow stories? Please share them in the comments and follow the Bikini Report for more daily headlines.